Amid the Pittsburgh Penguins' 4-game winning streak, NHLPA.com Player of the Week Conor Sheary stood tall for his team, raking in 6 goals and 9 points. Sheary kicked off 3 multi-point performances, playing the hero in a dramatic win over the Washington Capitals Monday. His second goal of the night was his 3rd point and the game winner at just 34 seconds into overtime. The 5'8" winger was named 2nd star of the game while picking up an assist on the road in Wednesday's win over the Habs, and he went on to pot an incredible behind-the-back pass from line-mate Sidney Crosby as a part of another 2-goal night in the decisive win over the Canes. It was back to Pittsburgh to wrap up the week against Sheary's hometown Bruins, where as a part of another 3-point night, his 2 goals and an assist earned him the game's 1st star. Sheary's 6 goals and 9 points topped the league this week, and since playing his way into a regular lineup spot last season, he is quickly proving he belongs alongside one of the game's best.